Hello, my name is Valentina Charpentier, and today I'm making this video to present my research project. Humans have marked their bodies over thousands of years, and the reason why they do this changes according to different things. For example, in some cultures, tattoos were seen as amulets, they showed social status, they represented love, values, religion, beliefs, and sometimes they were even used as a way of punishment. The way we see things also changes according to different things. For example, our cultural background. So taking all this into consideration, the hypothesis I stated for this project was the following. Does people's perception towards tattoo changes according to their age? To find this out, I used two different variables. My independent variable was people's ages, and my dependent variable was people's perception towards tattoos. Because of the nature of this project, I had to use a qualitative approach. Because it develops explanations about a social phenomena, it is descriptive, and it answers the questions how and why. I also used a comparison approach because I was comparing two different groups of people. The data collection tool I chose were interviews, and they were very useful because they provided me with detailed information about the topic. My project population were people between the ages of 20 to 30 because I believe they're independent people who already have a personal opinion about things. And the second group was people between the ages of 40 to 50 because I believe that they were raised in a different way than the first group and therefore their opinions might be different too. The samples selected were 6 persons in total, 3 for the first group and 3 for the second group. Beside the age range, I also needed that none of the participants had tattoos, because if someone had one, their opinion might be biased. The sampling method for my project was an accidental quota sampling, which is a non-random method, because I had a specific characteristic for each of my groups. After conducting the 6 interviews, I found 4 important themes on them. The first theme showed that 3 persons in the first group and 1 of the second group said that they do not have a tattoo because they didn't feel secure about it, because they thought that if they get a tattoo right now, they might regret it later. And since we know, tattoos mark you forever. The second theme was discrimination at the workplace. This theme was shown in both groups in equal parts, 3 persons, because all of them said that they think that people with tattoos are discriminated when wanting to get a job or when they want to get promoted or have more responsibilities in their jobs. The third theme was tattoo as art. 2 persons from the first group said that they could actually see tattoos as art, and 1 of the second group said that too. The fourth theme was reasons for getting a tattoo. In the first group, the answer was that they believe persons who has tattoos want to express themselves. And the second group said that they were all bad decisions and that tattoos were a result of drunk mistakes or that they just want to get attention. So in conclusion, we can see that people's perception towards tattoo thus changes according to their age. There is a relation between the variables which makes our hypothesis valuable and valid. Nevertheless, there were some problems with the project. The first problem was that my sample was not big enough. Because of time issues and resources issues, I couldn't interview more people. These also made that my findings were not that important, and they cannot be generalized to other populations, because if I ask the same question to a 12-year-old boy or a 65-year-old person, their answers won't be the same either. So after conducting this research, a future question for another project could be, could tattoos be considered as art or not? Thank you.